Make sure nobody's looking at me. I'm in the parking lot at work. I think I'm in the clear. Nobody's in their cars. Because I'm a fishbowl in my car. Hey guys! Welcome back to a brand new video. Happy Friday. I left work early today to start my weekend, which is nice. It was raining so much this morning. It was downpouring, it was dark, gloomy, and now the skies are clearing up and it's getting sunny outside. It's looking nice. Before I go back home, I'm going to swing by Pie-Falutin and get some pies for me, Alexander, and Christine. I'm gonna go see her tonight. She's actually coming down to my area and we're just gonna, you know, catch up over dinner, have some pies, possibly boba, because that's always in our schedule whenever we hang out. Pie-Falutin doesn't open for another 30 minutes. It's gonna take me about 20 minutes to get there, so I might just pull in and just wait until they're open so I get some fresh pies. And they have my favorite one today, the lemon berry blues. I've been telling her about this place for like 5 months now and have been meaning for her to try this place, but just never got around to it until today. So that's the plan. So I'll take you guys along for this weekend. Not really much going on besides seeing Christine, and then my mom and we already started taking things out of those cabinets in the dining room, so I'll go ahead and insert that clip here. Everything is officially out of this cabinet. Look at all of this. Look at all the shot glasses my mom has, and these plates and glasses that were in here for 25 years is officially out. There's like little dead bugs and flies on these plates. Obviously we're going to be washing them and cleaning them. This whole set is going to be given to my mom's co-worker. You see me in the back. So we're just taking everything out, wiping it down, and they're gonna come in a couple of nights to get it. Yeah, so we took everything out last night, kind of wiped down the cabinet just a little bit, and her co-worker will be coming in tomorrow night. She also hired some movers to help get the dining table out and the large cabinet out of my mom's house. It's gonna be a very empty space in the dining room. It was a little bit bittersweet taking out those plates last night because it was their home for 25 plus years, and I know they're just things, but those things were in there for 25 years with all the memories that happened in that house, you know, growing up as a kid. You guys know what I mean. So it's just kind of sad seeing all of that out. But my mom, she's not going to throw those plates away. And obviously she's going to keep all of her shot glasses. And yeah, it's just been in there for so long. It's crazy how things are changing. I'm in my feels right now just for a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and drive to the pie place and I'll be back. I am back home now. I was the first customer there. I was literally pulling up as they were turning on their open sign and unlocking the door, so it was perfect timing. But gotta make sure I give Christine the right box of pies. I just have to show you guys because like this pie is just so pretty. It's so freaking pretty, the lemon berry blues. What a pretty pie. So pretty. Oh, I actually have to take out the apple crumble because it is a room temp pie. So I'm gonna get a plate and just place it here. Alexander is going to, oh, I'm gonna put it here. Alexander is going to love this when he gets home. The one for Christine in the bag so she can take home. So if you guys don't know, I typically cook for the dogs once a week. I make boiled ground beef with carrots, but I want to like give them something different now. They've been eating a bunch of beef with carrots for like the longest ever. And so I started throwing in broccoli. They love broccoli. They also love squash. They also love celery. So today I'm going to make a new batch with ground beef, carrots, and celery for them because our dogs are eating healthy and eating good, you know? All right, water is boiling in the pot for the doggies. I'm gonna wash up some celery and then I use these little baby carrots for them. I don't know about you guys, let me know, but I love chopping vegetables. I love prepping. I love cooking for the doggies. It brings me joy. I just love how he's chilling out there. Newman's probably at the door. Yeah. Oh, I have to show you Newman when he comes back in. He got groomed a few days ago. I'm gonna bring them in soon. Say hi. Say hello. Sorry it's a bit loud, but here are the meatballs that are boiling. And then the veggies. I usually let this boil for about 40 to 45 minutes and then I throw it in a bowl of rice and mash it all up, and that is their food. And I don't remember if I ever showed you guys this, but if I did, I'm sorry. I don't remember if I showed you guys or not. Typically, this will last them between 2 to 4 days, depending on how many times I give it to them. But yeah, it's nice, you know. They can't be eating dry kibble all the time. Put some clean new sheets on. They're quite wrinkly. It's been a while since I've used this one because I like to use the floral ones for the spring and summertime. We are in need of some new sheets because we only have 2 that we rotate right now. And you know, this one is like a navy blue and it doesn't really go well. Doesn't match, but it's okay. It's underneath, so you don't really see it that much, but we definitely need to buy some new sheets down the road. Guys, check out these cute little hair clips that I got from Spoiled Child with my little monthly subscription. I love these clips. I've been using them in the morning to get ready. Just pull my hair back, but yeah, I think they're really cute. I feel like I'm getting, you know, free things from them, but I'm not. I'm on their monthly subscription. But nonetheless, they're super fun, very cute. Sheets are done, laundry is in the washer, and dogs are fed. I'm gonna be chilling until Christine gets off. She's gonna be here around 6:30, so I'm gonna go take a quick like body rinse, remove this makeup. We're not gonna do anything too fancy tonight anyways. Also, I need to charge my camera. It is about to die any second now. All right, I am back home from hanging out with Christine. We were out for 4 hours. Right now it is 10:30, so it's quite late. My mom's coworker ended up coming here not long ago and just got everything, so it's really empty. She also got the TV stand in the living room, so it's a little bit echoey now. They also took the dresser and nightstand in my mom's room, so all of this is gone. But yeah, all the big heavy furniture are pretty much gone. So empty. Look at all this space. Right, boys? Right, boys? Ooh. It just looks so much bigger here. Have never seen it like this before. Anyways, it was a lot of fun with Christine. We ended up just strolling around downtown here, and there was live music, a bunch of kids playing out in the park, as you guys saw, and they had these really cool, huge, inflatable types of playground area that kids can like jump on and play, which was really nice. Yeah, Christine was so sweet. She got me a little gift, which she obviously didn't have to. I was not expecting this. And the bag that she put it in is so freaking cute. You guys know I love purple. Purple or lavender, and this cute little polka dotted bag is adorable. And I giggled because she got me a Awala. I think it's hilarious because we just gift each other bottles. But I love that this one is a lavender one. Yeah, left to unlock. I've seen Awala bottles before and heard a lot of good things about this brand. So I'm excited to add it to my collection. Very fun, super sweet. How do I close this? Let's do a push button. How do I close it? Oh, okay. Cute card in here, and it's also purple envelope. What is this? What is this menace? Aww, how sweet. This is a Polaroid photo that we took on her birthday last year when we were in Banff. How cute. This. She loves wiener dogs, and we always send each other reels of wiener dogs on Instagram because I always want that for her. Like, I'm manifesting in her future that she gets a wiener dog. Look at this cute wiener dog card. Oh my god. Oh, how long this is. Thanks so much. How freaking cute. I love this card. Look. I'll definitely have to read this later. Oh, so sweet of her. I love her. I love her so much. Anyways, that was a fun little girls outing at night. Lots of yapping and lots of giggles. But I'm gonna go ahead and shower now, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is now the next day. Sorry I look a little busted. I've been cleaning around the house for the past 2 hours since the movers came last night and everybody was wearing their shoes inside the house. The floors just got really dirty. So I swept, vacuumed, mopped the whole house. I also washed all of these dishes that were in the cabinet. So they're all clean, washed it, wiped it down, and it is here ready to go whenever my mom wants to pack them up. And yeah, just tidying around the house. I washed my new Awala and put some lemon water inside. I just love this. It's like a very light periwinkle lavender. It's just so pretty, and it's definitely an adjustment. It is a little after 11, so I got dressed and ready to go. I'm gonna take Menace on a walk. The weather is gloomy today, but luckily it is no longer raining. Can't stand it when he crosses his legs. It is the cutest thing. He loves to do that, by the way. Oh, and then he's getting up because he's excited. Did you have a good walk? Okay, it is a few hours later. It's currently a little after 5. I am preheating the oven. I'm going to bake a couple of salmons for dinner. I'm just going to throw my salmon over the salad. This is a new pack that I've got from H-E-B. I've never tried this one before. It's the Tuscan herb. It has Parmesan cheese, Italian dressing, carrots, green onions, herb seasoning, and sun-dried tomatoes. And I love sun-dried tomatoes. I always get like their Caesar salad or their Southwestern salad. And this was like my first time seeing the Tuscan herb at this location last weekend. So it's new to me. I've never seen it. But yeah, gonna have that for dinner. Dinner was really good. I really like that salad, Tuscan herb. Definitely going to have to pick that up again when I'm back at HEB. But I just did a quick body rinse. And now I'm in a mood to, you know, do a little self-care. So I'm going to apply this face mask on. It's the Real Bamboo Essence Mask, calming and moisture. I want to be calm. With my big old face. It always looks so scary. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. I'm gonna set a timer for 20 minutes. But I think I'm going to, yes, end this vlog here looking like this. And start a new one next weekend for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this super chill vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.